Ceiling drywall repair. Why does your ceiling need repairing? Welcome to Burning Questions. I'm Mark, and that is your burning question for today. Over the last 29 years, I've seen many types of damage to ceilings in our customers' homes. So this might help you out so you can tell maybe what kind of problem you are having. In most cases, we find that our customers will have the occasional water stain on their ceiling. It might be due to the kids splashing water out of the bathtub upstairs or driving rain that found its way into your home. What I tell folks is that take a pencil and mark the outer edge of the stain, then keep an eye on it for a couple of weeks. If the stain does not get bigger, it's probably a one-time event. Simple primer and touch-up will fix this in your home. Now, if you notice a water stain and the drywall is starting to grow more and you probably have more serious issue on your hands, it is probably due to the volume of water that got to your ceiling, such as a toilet leaking or an overflowing bathtub. The repair is a little bit more work. We recommend cutting out the drywall up to where the drywall sits flush against the ceiling joist. Install the drywall, tape, mud, and sand, then prime and paint. The third situation requires just a little bit more work to make the project whole. We also find if there's been a consistent water problem and there now have some black stains that are showing up, that usually tells me that there's some sort of mold that is forming in the area. Don't panic at this time. It usually is nothing of great concern, but we do recommend to get it taken care of. So we take out the bad drywall and we make sure that we treat the mold accordingly with a cleaning agent. That will remove the mold. We then fill the area with insulation, drywall tape, mud, and sand, and follow that up with a good coat of primer and paint. And you're hopefully good to go. Now, this will assist you the next time you see that little brown stain that shows up on your ceiling. So thanks again for joining us. Send us in your burning questions and I'll put them out.